This is what it looks like at regular speed. And this is what it looks like in slow motion. Start by holding the Balisong in the standard vertical grip. Throw the opposite handle over your index finger, and right as the handle hits, release your hold on the other handle. Finally, catch the handle you threw and finish in pin grip. Start in pin grip and throw the opposite handle around your thumb horizontally. When the handle hits your thumb, release grip on the handle you were holding. Let the Balisong spin around your thumb once, and catch the handle you first threw and finish out the motion with a wrist pass.